back at Dodger Stadium. It's been a few weeks since I've been here to check on the progress of the construction. There is baseball in less than 1 month. It's almost March right now. Let's go see what the field looks like. Well, everything is covered up. They're just spreading around new dirt. Did to the visitor bus parking. So it looks like now the buses will pull up to right around here, park, and the guys will be able to get out and walk through a tunnel and go under, instead of parking where they used to park, just right up here, and all the people would walk down these stairs to those other stairs and walk right next to the buses.